So, another example pa para sa derivative ng product. So, what is the derivative of 3x squared times 19x? Okay? Again, i-identify mo kung alin ang u at alin ang v. So, ang u ko ay yung 3x squared at ang v ko ay ang 19x. Okay? So, u is 3x squared. What is the derivative of u with respect to x? Ano mangyayari? Bababa ang 2, 3x, 2 minus 1. So, this will become 6x kasi 2 times 3. Okay? And then, yung v mo is 19x. What is the derivative of v? The derivative of v is simply 19. And gawin mo lang ulit yung u dv plus v du. So, derivative of u times v, paulit-ulit mo lang sulatin para hindi mo makalimutan. Okay. So, ano yung u natin? 6. Sorry. Ang u natin ay 3x squared. Ano ang dv ko? 19. Plus. Ano yung v ko? 19x. Ano ang du ko? 6x. So, 19 times 3, 7. Carry 2, 57x squared. Plus 19 times 6, 54. 5, 114x squared. So, parehas bang x squared? Therefore, pwede natin yung pagsamahin. So, 57 plus 114, 1, carry 1, 5, 6, 7, 171x squared. And yan na po. 11. Okay. So, I hope malinaw na. Isa pa. So, last of the basic differentiation formulas, kung kanina product, ngayon ay quotient. So, derivative of u over v is equals to is equals to v times derivative of u with respect to x minus u times derivative of v with respect to x all over v squared. Again, u and v are function of x. Okay po? So, for example, what is the derivative of 9x all over square root of 3x? Okay? So, ang pinakamadaling gawin again, tulad nung kanina, i-identify mo alin ang u, alin ang v. So, ang u natin is 9x. What is the derivative of u? That is 9. Okay, next, v. V is square root of 3x. But square root of 3x is simply 3x raised to 1/2. So, what is the derivative of v with respect to x? Bababa si 1/2 times 3x raised to negative 1/2 kasi 1/2 minus 1. At ano ang derivative ng 3x? It is simply 3. So, 3 over 2 square root ng 3x. Next, meron ka pa dong v squared. V is square root ng 3x. Square mo si v, square mo din to. V squared is simply, in-square mo yung square root, 3x na lang po. Okay? Kung nakita nyo, yung solution ko, binibiyak-biyak ko, then tsaka ko i-combine para hindi ako mahirapan. Kasi kung idediretso ko lang yun dito, baka ang probability nun ay malito po kayo. Okay? So, derivative of u over v with respect to x. Ulitin ko lang ulit para mag-sink in po sa inyo. V times du minus u times dv all over v squared. Okay? Ano yung v natin? Ang v po natin ay square root ng 3x. Ano yung du ko? 9. Minus, ano po yung u ko? 9x. Ano yung dv ko? 3 all over 2 square root ng 3x all over v squared. Okay, ano ba yung v squared ko? 3x lang po. Paano ko isi-simplify yung numerator? So, 9 times square root ng 3x minus 9x times 3, that is simply 27x all over 2 square root ng 3x all over 3x. Huwag nyo kakalimutan yung pinakababa ha. So, 9 times square root of 3x minus 2 square root ng 3x all over 3x. Okay, pinakauna, kopyahin mo yung pinaka-denominator. Then, isi-simplify natin tong mixed fraction sa taas. So, 2 square root ng 3x. 9 times 2, 18. Square root ng 3x times square root ng 3x, that is simply 3x minus 27x. Okay, 18 times 3 is 54x minus 27x. So, marireciprocal lang to, 3x times 2, that is 6x square root ng 3x. 54x minus 27x. That is simply 27x all over 6x square root ng 3x. May common factor po ba? Yes po, may common factor pa po. 27 and 6, they are both divisible by 3. So, 3 divided by 27 over 6, that is simply 9. At cancel din pala itong x. So, 9 halves times square root ng 3x. Okay? And, okay? So, paano kung may derivative ka ng 1 over 3x? Okay? Yung u mo, 1, and malinaw na yung u ko ay isang constant. So, ang derivative ng u ko ay equal sa 0. Then, yung v ko is 3x. Ano ang derivative of v with respect to x? 3. Okay? Again, yung v ko is 3x. I-square ko. Diba ang v squared ay equal sa 9x squared. Square ko si 3, square ko si x. And then, proceed ako sa formula. Alin po ba yung formula? Na kung may derivative ka ng quotient, equals lang yan sa v du minus u dv all over v squared. So, ang v ko is 3x du, which is 0, minus u, which is 1, times dv, which is 3, all over v squared, which is 9x squared. Malinaw, 0 na po ito. So, negative 3 all over 9x squared. Cancel lang. Simplify lang. Negative 3 over 9 is negative 1/3 3x squared. At yan na po ang ating sagot. Okay?